Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Roblox age under 13. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So, if you want to change your Roblox age, all you need to do is to open your browser. First of all, it can be Safari or Google Chrome or any other browser you want. So, and then in the search bar you need to type roblox.com/support. And then go button at the bottom right. After that you will see this interface. If you see this window, you need to click on the accept all, and then you need to log in your account. So you need to enter your username and your password and then click on the login button. And then if you have two-step verification, you need to enter 6-digit code and then click on the verify button. So after that you will see this interface, contact us. All you need to do is to enter your username, your first name, your email address, then you need to confirm your email address, and then you will see issue details. First of all, you need to choose device type. For example, in my situation it is iPhone, and then type of help category. You need to choose age-based settings, here it is, and then help subcategory type. For example, this first one option, change child age. And then you will see a text bar. You need to click on this text bar, and then you need to describe your problem. For example, I had a mistake when I created my account. Please help me to change my Roblox age. So, and then you need to click on the continue button, and after that you need to wait a little bit. For example, it can be 2 hours, maybe more, maybe a few days, and then TikTok support will receive your message and solve your problem. So, and that's all, and that's how to change Roblox age under 13. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.